Hi everyone! In today's video, we're diving into a fascinating world, clams. While they may seem like a simple seafood, did you know that clams can be processed and handled in many different ways? What's even more interesting is that each country has its unique method of farming and processing clams. In this video, we'll compare the clam farming and processing processes in 3 countries: China, Vietnam, and the United States. You'll be surprised to see the differences in how each country handles and processes this seafood, even though they all start with the same clam. The Manila clam is one of the most commonly cultivated bivalve mollusks in the coastal regions of China, especially in provinces such as Liaoning, Shandong, Fujian, and Guangdong. High-quality clam seeds have uniformly sized shells. The typical size for stocking is between 5 and 10 millimeters. Clam seeding typically occurs in early spring or late autumn. The clams are evenly distributed across the tidal flats, with an average stocking density of 500 to 1,000 individuals per square meter. Farmers often use planktonic mollusks, or small marine organisms, as a natural food source for clams, especially during the seedling stage. These organisms are rich in nutrients and easily digestible. After approximately 12 to 18 months of farming, the clams reach marketable size, usually between 3 to 4 centimeters. When the tide is low, farmers use hand tools such as hoes, hand rakes, or small digging machines to harvest them. After harvesting, the clams are collected and transported by boat to the processing area. The boats filled with clams are taken to a washing station, where they are cleaned and sorted by size before being packaged and sold in the domestic market. Unlike in China, Vietnam primarily farms 2-shelled clams. In some areas with large-scale clam farming, harvesting can be carried out using specialized harvesting machines. These machines dig and collect clams from the seabed or ponds, helping to reduce labor time and effort. When machinery is not available, locals rely on manual labor to harvest clams. A large group goes out to sea, with each person handling a specific task. One person scoops up baskets of clams from the water, while others sort and select the high-quality 2-shelled clams from the baskets, carefully categorizing them. After harvesting, the clams are placed into containers for temporary storage before undergoing the next processing steps. Clams, after harvesting, are usually covered in sand and impurities. Therefore, they are washed. After being washed, the clams are weighed to sort them by weight. Weighing helps determine the quantity and quality of the clams, allowing for proper packaging and transportation according to market requirements. After weighing and sorting, the clams are packaged into foam boxes to keep the product fresh during transportation. In the U.S., the clam harvesting process can be carried out in two main ways. The most common method involves washing the clams after harvest and packaging them whole for direct consumption. Some production facilities in the U.S. also remove the clam meat, which is then packaged separately. The clam meat is processed and stored in vacuum-sealed bags or airtight containers, preserving its freshness and quality for a longer period.